Purchase your tracks today.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I already finished putting in the pre-dipped curls all over. So that made that go quick. And now in the middle, I want to do an invisible part. So this is my first time doing the invisible part. So I hope you can see how it's coming out so far. I really, really love the results of this. It looks like it's my hair coming out. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that real quick. So I already have the hair pre-brushed out, because you know I like to do things easy. So the hair is already singled and brushed out for me. I twist the middle in half, and I cut the hair in half, by the way. I didn't use the whole pack of the hair. I cut it in half, and I insert it just like you do regular crochet. And just like this, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I take a piece from this side and a little piece from the other side. And then I take those two pieces. I hope you can see it, what I'm doing, those two pieces, and I tie them. Then I'm just pull it right over. And there you go. You have it just like that. So I'm going to do it one more time.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so I'm back. It's the morning time, and I didn't have enough battery to take what I did last night. So last night you saw me do the invisible part, And what I didn't have tape battery for was, you see me put these in rollers and actually dipping them. There's plenty of videos that show you how to do that, so kind of felt bad that it deleted, but I know there's ways to show you how to dip the hair. But what I did was I dipped the hair last night and left it on overnight after towel drying so it could air dry just a little bit, because I didn't want to go out during the storm, the day after the storm, with wet moisture hair. So it's the day after, and it's the takedown of
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.